Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Mobile on Android. First, check your device's specifications. You'll need at least 4 GB of RAM and an Android operating system version 8.0 or higher for the best experience. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official Epic Games website to begin the download process. This ensures you get the legitimate and most up-to-date version of the game, avoiding any unofficial sources. Once the installer file is downloaded, you'll need to adjust your device's security settings. Go to your settings, find Apps and Notifications, then Special App Access, and enable Install Unknown Apps for your browser. Now, open the downloaded APK file to install the Fortnite launcher. After the launcher is installed, open it to download the main game files, which typically range from 8 to 10 GB, depending on updates. To optimize your gameplay, dive into the Settings menu. Start by adjusting your graphics quality. Lower settings often provide smoother frame rates, which is crucial for competitive play. Next, customize your heads-up display, or HUD, and control layout. You can drag and resize buttons to fit your playstyle perfectly. For an even greater advantage, many players find that connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller significantly improves their aiming and building efficiency. As you jump into matches, focus on a few key strategies. Practice building quickly. Constructing walls and ramps can save you in intense firefights and give you a tactical edge. Experiment with various weapon types to find what suits your style, whether it's close-quarters shotguns or long-range sniper rifles. Always keep an eye on your minimap to anticipate the storm's movement and identify potential enemy locations, helping you stay ahead of the competition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.